are making two different types of juices, mango juice and cherry juice. These are both very delicious and healthy. If you like our recipes, please subscribe to our channel Cooking and Style. You can find the ingredients in the description box down below. These drinks are perfect for summer because they are refreshing and cold. Give your opinions on our recipes in the comment section down below. Now let's start making the drinks. Cherry juice. The main ingredient for this recipe is cherries. Take out the stems of the cherries. Another ingredient for this recipe is ice cubes. Remember to take out the seeds of the cherries. Now add into the blender. Add ice cubes into the blender as well. Add sugar. Now add water. Now blend it. Pour it out into a cup, serve it and enjoy. Now we are going to make mango juice. The main ingredient for this recipe is mangoes. Chop 2 of these mangoes into cubes and add into the blender. Now add sugar. You can add more according to your taste. Next, add 1 glass water. Now blend it. This is a very tasty mango juice recipe. After you have blended it, pour it out into a cup and mix it. Our channel's name is Cooking and Style. That's why we present our recipes in the best style we can. If you like our style and recipes, please subscribe to us and also give us your opinions in the comment section down below. You can also find the ingredients in the description box. If you have not subscribed to Cooking and Style, please subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram. Stay safe, eat well, and remember us in your prayers. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching this video.